Good morning to the Winstone media followers, subscribers. It's your boy Winston here. I hope you're doing well. It's currently 2:30 in the morning, Sunday morning, and I've just woken up, so I'm fresh as a daisy, even though I suppose I went to bed at a funny odd time because obviously I flew from Melbourne through to Singapore, spent 13 hours at Singapore, and then had to fly in, obviously got interrogated by the Vietnamese border control. Anyway, eventually got in, but it's been nothing but trouble for the last sort of, 2 or 3 days. So I just needed a really good sleep. So I'm up and about this morning. So we have moved locations. I'm currently in my new Air BnB, located in District number 3 here in Ho Chi Minh City. So the place is called The View Midori Apartments, and the cost was $90 AUD. Now, that's an absolute bargain. That's for 2 nights, so it works out per person $45 each. I'm traveling with my American friend Max. I'm not sure where he is. He's out and about somewhere. I went to bed at about 6, woke up just before, and he's gone. So I just thought, while I've got the apartment to myself, I'd give you a little tour of this Midori View Apartments here in District 3. So let's get into it, and I'm going to show you around. Okay, so welcome to Midori Apartments, The View as it's called. So as you can see, it's quite modern, very Western, and you wouldn't even know you're in Vietnam. So we'll go to the right. So we've got 2 bathrooms, so good shower here overhead. So if you like to sort of get in all those nooks and crannies on your body, perfect. We'll give it a bit of a test try. Point it the opposite direction just so I don't get wet. Oh shit. Oh, good water pressure there. Have a look at that. Quality H2O. So, here we go. Got a modern Western toilet, the old Inex. Oh, absolute flushing quality there. Everything you need, and this is a good thing about Air BnBs that come with, the hand wash, your shampoos, conditioners, even earbuds, and good water pressure there. So that covers bathroom number 1. So you've got a place to study. It's something I haven't done for a while. Empty drawers, no. So you got, oh yeah, perfect. Actually, that's exactly what I need. Okay, Wi-Fi password. We'll go into my room. So open room, double bed. A little bit hungover from yesterday. Had about a litre of soda pop. Trying to remain as neat as possible. Got the DJI Mini. That will come in handy in the coming days once I get to some more picturesque places. I've got my own walk-in robe. How good is this? Right, all the same design as the other bathroom. And air conditioner as well. Bedside lights, extra fan if you're feeling hot. That's one thing about Vietnam, it is quite humid. As you'd see, we've got a couch. I've been doing a bit of research for France on my laptop. I was at this grand final. I'm just reliving the glory days of the 2019 grand final. Well, it was on the 2019 grand final, but that's clearly not the 2019 grand final. It's like an industrial park out here at District 3. As you can see, walk out, got your own balcony, convenience stores, you even got a Pizza Hut downstairs. So pretty cool. Everything's modern. So we'll come to the kitchen. Got the modern fridge. Got some cold beer in there, the essentials. I don't even know if there's anything in the... No, there's not. Microwave. Perfect. Stove cooker or a hot top. Got everything that you need. Good water pressure. I don't even know if you can drink the water here in Vietnam, but I'm not going to take the risk. And even your own washing machine. So there you have it. That's the apartment tour. And we'll quickly go in here. As you can see, so you get basically 2 private rooms, 2 bathrooms, a full open plan living area, kitchen and lounge room, all include, a little study. So that's the tour of the Winstone Air BnB here in district number 3, the Midori View Apartments. I hope you've enjoyed the little tour, and it was $90 Australian for 2 nights, and when you split that in half, it works out to be $22.50 per night. So ultimately, you could travel on a budget with all your essentials as far as like living, you know, all those luxuries, right? We've got YouTube, we've got internet, we've got the whole works, your own apartment. So why would you know, go to a backpackers for, you know, $15, maybe $18 when you can get your own private space for only a few dollars extra? You know, and don't get me wrong, backpackers are great. I still will be staying in a lot of backpackers for the next, you know, period of time ahead, but let's be honest, this is much nicer than backpackers where you got to share with 6, 8, sometimes up to 12 people. So look, I hope you've enjoyed this little tour. I'm going to be posting regularly. Guys, if you do enjoy my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm also raising money for Beyond Blue, which helps people with anxiety, depression, and mental health. And also, if you feel inclined to do so, if you feel like buying me a coffee, I would much appreciate it. The link is in the bio, and that helps me with the videos that I am producing quite regularly every month. Hope you've enjoyed, and I'll be posting tomorrow with another travel vlog here from Ho Chi Minh City or Saigon here in Vietnam. Until next time, goodbye.